Shout out guys, and for today's video we have here in the ice plant of KTI. So we will try to run this plant. Still not coming about this emergency stop. So we have to check with the multi-tester what is the problem in this area. From here to there, from there to here. See, this is all the control circuit with PLC Siemens. See. As you can see the indicator here, coming red. Okay, see. PEW 306. It means it's emergency stop. And we have fuses, some fuses here. Magnetic relay. It's all about over here. You can see. We will check. This is the safety relay, what we call safety relay. Power relay. Or safety relay. Check this one, check. And the brand is Eaton. So ayun, i-check muna natin ang emergency stop. To close this one, and this one we have to close also.